Did you know U.S. drivers spend over $7 billion every year repairing or replacing transmissions? What makes this shocking is that automotive reliability studies show over 80% of transmission failures are preventable. Japanese automakers like Toyota, Honda, and Mazda regularly design transmissions capable of exceeding 250,000 to 300,000 miles, yet many fail before half that distance. Not because of poor engineering, but because drivers unknowingly use habits that create internal damage every single day. In Japan, driving is treated as a mechanical partnership between driver and machine. Friction and hydraulic stress inside transmissions. In this video, we are going to explore 9 Japanese methods that can realistically double your transmission life and save thousands in repairs. Let's get started. Hack number 9. The 3-second cold start engagement rule. Japanese technicians strongly advise never shifting immediately after starting the engine. When a vehicle starts cold, transmission fluid has not yet circulated fully through hydraulic passages, clutch packs, and valve bodies. Because automatic transmissions rely entirely on fluid pressure, and engaging drive instantly forces internal components to operate without optimal lubrication, which creates microscopic friction damage that accumulates daily. Engineers estimate that cold engagement wear can account for up to 30% of early clutch degradation over a vehicle's lifespan. By waiting just 3 seconds before shifting into drive or reverse, you ensure that every moving part is lubricated before it is put under load. Japanese fleet vehicles using this habit report smoother engagement and fewer early transmission repairs. Over thousands of starts per year, this habit dramatically lowers long-term wear. 3 seconds feels insignificant, but mechanically, it prevents years of cumulative damage. Hack number 8. The 20-degree rule. If you want your gears to last forever, you have to respect the silent killer, thermal degradation. The internal temperature of a healthy transmission should hover around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, but for every 20 degrees Fahrenheit increase above that threshold, the life of your transmission fluid is literally cut in half. At 195 degrees Fahrenheit, your fluid's oxidation rate doubles. By the time you hit 235 degrees Fahrenheit, the internal seals begin to harden and the fluid essentially turns into varnish, leading to catastrophic internal slipping. Japanese maintenance culture views the cooling system as an extension of the transmission because the two are physically linked via the radiator's internal cooler. Statistics show that 1 in 4 major transmission failures is actually triggered by a cooling system leak, often resulting in the strawberry milkshake effect where coolant contaminates the transmission fluid. By refreshing your coolant every 5 years and ensuring your radiator fins are clear of debris, you are effectively providing a thermal shield for your most expensive drivetrain component. Hack number 7. The neutral pause technique at long stops. Keeping your car in drive while stopped may seem harmless, but it's a major silent transmission killer. When stationary in drive, the torque converter continuously transfers energy while brakes resist motion, generating excess heat inside the transmission fluid. According to transmission thermal studies, heat accounts for nearly 90% of automatic transmission failures because fluid breakdown accelerates rapidly above normal temperature ranges. Japanese driving instructors recommend shifting into neutral during stops longer than 30 to 40 seconds to relieve hydraulic load. This reduces internal pressure on clutch packs and lowers fluid temperature buildup, especially in heavy urban traffic. Fleet comparisons in dense Japanese cities found vehicles using neutral pauses experienced noticeably slower fluid degradation and smoother shifting after high mileage. Lower heat means seals stay flexible longer and internal varnish buildup decreases. Over years of commuting, this simple habit significantly reduces thermal stress that is a silent enemy most drivers never notice. Hack number 6. The blood type chemistry. One of the most dangerous mistakes a car owner can make is using universal or multi-vehicle transmission fluid in a Japanese-engineered gearbox. Modern transmissions, especially CVTs found in Hondas and Nissans, rely on highly specific friction modifiers to prevent the steel belt from slipping against the pulleys. Using a fluid that is not the exact OEM spec, like Toyota WS or Honda HCF2, can alter the friction coefficient by as much as 15%, which is enough to cause microscopic chatter that eats away at the metal surfaces over time. Data from independent lab testing confirms that genuine fluids maintain their viscosity for nearly 40% longer than generic alternatives under heavy load conditions. Investing the extra $20 in genuine fluid is effectively an insurance policy against a multi-thousand-dollar rebuild. Hack number 5. The no-throttle creep discipline. In stop-and-go traffic, many drivers repeatedly tap the accelerator to move inches at a time. Japanese driving philosophy discourages this behavior because it forces constant clutch engagement cycles. Every small throttle input commands the transmission to adjust hydraulic pressure, partially engage clutches, and alter torque delivery. Engineering data suggests excessive microengagements increase friction wear far more than steady movement at higher speeds. Japanese instructors instead teach drivers to allow idle torque to move the car smoothly without repeated pedal inputs. This reduces gear hunting and prevents rapid pressure fluctuations inside the valve body. Smooth creeping also stabilizes transmission temperature and decreases solenoid workload. The Japanese philosophy is simple. Smooth inputs equal mechanical longevity. Hack number 4. Preventive transmission fluid replacement philosophy. Many modern vehicles advertise lifetime transmission fluid, but Japanese maintenance culture treats fluid as a service item rather than a permanent component. Transmission fluid acts as lubricant, coolant, and hydraulic medium simultaneously. Over time, fluid experiences heat stress, contamination, and shear breakdown. Without replacement, lubrication quality declines, and internal wear increases rapidly. Experts recommend fluid service roughly every 40,000 to 60,000 miles under real-world driving conditions, especially in traffic or hot climates. Research indicates clean transmission fluid can reduce internal wear rates by nearly 50% compared to degraded fluid. Neglecting fluid maintenance can drastically shorten lifespan, with some transmissions degrading before 100,000 miles when fluid deteriorates. Hack number 3. Complete stop before reverse-to-drive shifting. Switching from reverse to drive while the vehicle is still rolling is one of the most damaging habits drivers perform daily. Japanese mechanics call this directional shock loading. Inside the transmission, planetary gears and clutch drums must instantly reverse torque direction when this happens. When gears attempt to change direction under motion, clutch packs must instantly absorb opposing torque and generate extreme localized heat. The sudden force creates microscopic metal fatigue that accumulates over years. Even though damage is invisible at first, but repeated shock events weaken internal components. Bringing the car to a full stop allows rotating assemblies to settle before re-engagement. This simple discipline eliminates one of the largest sources of internal stress and significantly improves long-term reliability. Hack number 2. The gentle first 5 minutes driving rule. Japanese engineers consider the first 5 minutes of driving the most mechanically sensitive period for any transmission. Cold transmission fluid flows slower and cannot provide optimal lubrication or cooling immediately after startup. Aggressive acceleration during this phase creates pressure spikes and uneven clutch engagement. Testing shows cold fluid can increase internal friction levels by up to 2 times compared to warmed fluid conditions. Japanese fleet operators instruct drivers to accelerate gradually until operating temperature stabilizes. Gentle driving allows seals to expand properly and hydraulic circuits to reach calibrated pressure levels. This reduces stress on solenoids and prevents premature glazing of clutch surfaces. Many drivers unknowingly damage transmissions during daily cold starts rather than high-speed driving.
Respecting the warm-up phase dramatically reduces cumulative wear over years of ownership.
Hack number 1. Proper parking brake usage. Most drivers believe the park gear holds the vehicle safely on its own, but internally it relies on a small metal component called a parking pawl. When parked on an incline without using the parking brake, the full weight of the vehicle presses against this tiny locking mechanism. Japanese driver training emphasizes engaging the parking brake before shifting into park to remove load from the transmission. Mechanical analysis shows repeated stress on the parking pawl can cause alignment issues and difficulty shifting out of park over time. This strain also transfers stress into internal gear assemblies. Vehicles that rely solely on park experience higher long-term mechanical stress, especially in hilly areas. Using the parking brake distributes weight through the braking system instead of the transmission. This habit costs nothing but significantly reduces internal strain throughout the vehicle's life. Now let's discuss the 95% saving math. When you run the numbers, the Japanese method of preventative maintenance is 95% cheaper than the fix-it-when-it-breaks philosophy. A lifetime of regular drain and fills and cooling system checks will cost you roughly $900 over 150,000 miles, whereas a single transmission replacement in 2026 can easily exceed $10,000 when you factor in labor and computer programming. Doubling your transmission life is not about luck. It is about shifting your mindset from reactive repair to proactive preservation. By treating your transmission fluid like the lifeblood it is and managing heat with clinical precision, you can turn a disposable modern car into a lifelong companion. If you are ready to take your car's longevity seriously, make sure to follow the hacks discussed in this video. Drive smoother, drive smarter, and your transmission may outlast the car itself. See you in the next video.